Hi everyone, welcome back to WAWP with Salman. In today's video, I'll show you how to use text formatter and WAWP parameters to create dynamic and personalized WhatsApp messages. This will help you make your communication look professional, customized, and engaging for every user. Before we jump into WooCommerce notification builder, in the next video, we need to understand how placeholders work in WAWP. So you might be thinking, what are placeholders? Placeholders are automatic values that WAWP fetches and insert into your messages. They personalize your message without typing each detail manually. For example, if you write hi double bracket name, the final message would be hi Joseph, hi Ali, hi any customer you have in your WooCommerce store. So I hope you understand how placeholder works in WAWP. So there might be a question, where do I find these placeholders in WAWP? There are two ways to access the placeholder list. First method, from your WordPress dashboard, you need to go to WAWP. From there, you will see an option placeholder list. Simply click on that and you will be redirected to this link. For second method, you need to go to wawp.net/account, which is your WAWP dashboard. From there, on the right side, you have seen a section named Explore. From there, you need to click on WhatsApp Text Formatter. In both cases, you will be redirected to same link. If we scroll down on this page a little bit, you will see WAWP placeholder list. There are different categories to fetch the data from this list. Let's say general, WordPress user, WooCommerce order, and these are all the data available here. We simply need to click on any placeholder and that placeholder will be copied to your clipboard and you can paste it anywhere in Notification Builder. So you might be thinking, what is this WhatsApp text formatter above this page? Actually, this is an editor to create your notification messages easily with a preview window where you can check the preview of your message. Let's say in your text, I can write whatever text I want, and in the right side, I can check the preview of that message. So let's create a notification here. I have write hi. Now I want to call out the name of the person who is ordering on our website. For that, I have two options. I can scroll down and from here, I can select WooCommerce billing first name, or I have a shorter way that says add personalization in this text editor. I can simply click on that and from here I can access all the placeholder at once. Now I'm going to add user meta billing first name. On the right side you can check I have message that says hi John. That means this placeholder is working perfectly fine. And even you want to bold this text or bold this name, simply select this and click on bold and your name will be bold here too. Simply, I want to inform the person that your order has been received. For that, I'm going to enter. I have written we have received your order and now I want to enter some details here. Okay, now I have created a complete message that says, hi John, we have received your order with order ID, total price. Thank you for choosing us. Stay tuned. Simple, I have written this. Now I want to enter ordered ID here. For that, I'm going to add personalization. From here, I can search for order ID. Here is it, WC order ID. I'm going to simple add this and it will be added here at the end of your message. You need to cut paste this and here I have order ID. You can check here, this is your order ID you mentioned. I'm going to convert it to code so that it will be shown as different. Now I want to add total price of order. For that, I'm going to add personalization, and from here I need to search for, and here it is, order total. I'm going to add this. Same, it will be added at the end of your message. You need to cut and paste it here. Now I have written a complete message. You can check here, and we can use this as notification in our notification builder later in upcoming videos. You can check the preview of this message here too, so you can build any notification you want to send your customers. This feature is super important because we'll be using these placeholders when we build WooCommerce notification in the next video. So make sure you practice formatting your message here and test them with your WAWP account. If you haven't yet tried WAWP, you can grab it using my link in description and apply my coupon code to get 30% off right now. And don't forget to check out my previous videos and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos on notification builder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.